Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to submit a program change request. Before submitting a request, please make sure that the program change period has started and the platform is open, and that you meet the requirements for the desired program. You can find the Program Change Request form by logging into your UOZone account and opening your Student Center. Before accessing the form, you will find a statement sharing some important information. Who can use the form? What if the form doesn't include the desired program? And how can you be sure to make the right change? Check the box to confirm that you have read the information given in the statement, then click on the Access Form button. At the top of the Program Change Request form, you will find your personal information and your current cumulative grade point average, if applicable. Select the type of change you wish to make: a primary discipline change, a secondary discipline change, or adding an option, a profile, or a micro-program. Hover your cursor over each type of change to see its definition. Please note that the categories that follow will be adapted according to the type of change you choose. Here is an example of a primary discipline change. First, select the faculty that offers the discipline you're looking for. Then, select the desired discipline. And finally, select the language of study. Next, select the program structure you wish to follow. Once you've chosen your program structure, the platform will automatically display the additional options available to you. For example, profiles or options. A secondary discipline, whether it be a minor or a major, or micro-programs. To view the result of your selection, consult the New Study Program box. This will show you the full name of the program you are requesting, including all disciplines, options, and profiles selected. Please note that you can modify your selection at any time before submitting your request. Changes to French immersion and co-op plans cannot be made using this form. To find out how to modify these components, visit their respective websites. Once you are satisfied with your new program selection, simply click on Submit Form. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Be sure to click Yes to submit your request. Once your request has been submitted, you will see a message confirming that your request has been sent. You will also receive an email acknowledging receipt of your request within 24 hours.